Months of violence and protest across Bangladesh ultimately ended Sheikh Hasina's 15-year rule. But was it an organic uprising, or is there more to the Bangladesh crisis than meets the eye? Intelligence sources say the blueprint of Operation Regime Change was drafted in London in collaboration with Pakistan, ISI and China. Bangladeshi officials claim to have evidence of meetings between the acting chief Bangladeshi Nationalist Party, Tariq Rahman, and ISI officials in Saudi Arabia. Son of Khalida Zia also allegedly met ISI operatives. Intel sources also point to China and Pakistan ISI hand in fanning the protest that forced Sheikh Hasina to flee. Islami Chhatra Shibir, the student wing of hardline Jamaat-e-Islami Bangladesh, which is known for its anti-India stance, turned the protest over quotas into a determined effort to replace Hasina with a regime that is friendly to Pakistan and China. The intelligence input indicate meticulous planning by ICS members several months before, aimed at instigating widespread violence across the nation. According to Intel sources, significant portion of this funding is believed to have originated from Chinese entities operating in Pakistan. Islami Chhatra Shibir has massive presence in Dhaka and Chittagong universities, and its cadres incited and brainwashed students.
Even on the social media platforms, anti-Bangladesh handles were fueling protests. Videos of violence against protesters and posters demonizing Sheikh Hasina were being manufactured by Bangladesh Nationalist Party and its affiliated accounts like Student Wing and Media Cell. A large chunk of these were being handled and amplified by US-based handles, and 500 anti-Sheikh Hasina government tweets were made, including those which were being done from Pakistani handles.
India Today's OSINT team has also found evidence of the role of Bangladesh's main opposition party in an anti-India campaign that mimics the Maldives, India Out. An in-depth analysis of more than 4,000 tweets show hashtag boycott Indian products along with some other low-volume hashtags like hashtag India Out and hashtag boycott India started gaining traction on social media platforms in Bangladesh a week after Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina took oath following controversial elections boycotted by opposition parties. Many accounts actively pushing the hashtags also posted objectionable and derogatory tweets against India, Hindus and Hinduism, and were found celebrating terrorist acts and the Taliban rule in Afghanistan.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.